Greetings, esteemed audience. Welcome back to Heartbeats and Happy Habits, your sanctuary for embracing heart health and fostering positive habits. I'm Kev, and today, we're embarking on an expedition of profound significance, an in-depth exploration of the top 8 worst foods for high blood pressure. Before we immerse ourselves in this knowledge, remember, the insights I'm sharing are designed to educate, not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for tailored guidance. Now, get ready to unveil how certain foods might be intricately intertwined with your blood pressure levels as we set sail on this enlightening voyage together. 1. Vegetable oils and their hidden dangers. Let's set sail on our journey of understanding with a pantry staple that often evades scrutiny: vegetable oils. Heralded for their health benefits, these oils carry a concealed peril. They're packed with polyunsaturated fats, vulnerable to rancidity. But why is rancidity concerning? These fats, when assimilated into our cellular membranes, disrupt the balance of cells and contribute to the rigidity of arteries. And what follows? High blood pressure, an unequivocal signal that the health of our arteries and heart are intertwined. 2. The surprising impact of alcohol. Transitioning to the next chapter of our exploration, we encounter a familiar companion: alcohol. While savoring a drink occasionally might be customary, excessive consumption can throw our blood pressure equilibrium off. Interestingly, research reveals a captivating nexus between binge drinking and abrupt blood pressure surges. It's believed that for every 10 grams of alcohol consumed, our blood pressure could inch upward by a millimeter of mercury. This underscores the importance of scrutinizing our indulgences in the broader context of our cardiovascular well-being. 3. Sugar's not so sweet side. Venturing deeper into the labyrinth of dietary choices, sugar takes the stage as a central character in our narrative. But here's the twist. High fructose sugars, especially the notorious high fructose corn syrup, have been implicated in elevating systolic blood pressure. The higher number in your blood pressure reading. This revelation compels us to reevaluate sweeteners and acknowledge their broader ramifications for our heart health. 4. Soft drinks and the ripple effect on blood pressure. Our voyage navigates us to a realm familiar to many: soft drinks. These effervescent companions might offer a fleeting moment of delight, yet they wield a profound influence on our blood pressure. A 2016 study involving school students uncovered a compelling link between soft drink consumption and a noticeable surge in blood pressure levels. It's a poignant reminder that even seemingly innocuous choices can have a cascading impact on our heart health. 5. The dual challenge of canned foods. Progressing further, we arrive at the intersection of convenience and caution: canned foods. These ready-to-consume options streamline our lives, yet they present a dual challenge. On one hand, there's the lurking peril of BP, a chemical commonly found in can linings, notorious for disrupting hormone balance. On the other hand, the heightened sodium content in canned foods sets the stage for fluid retention and subsequently elevated blood pressure. It's a vivid testament that every decision, regardless of its scale, molds our trajectory toward heart health. 6. Unraveling salad dressing's hidden threat. Transitioning to the domain of salads, we confront an unexpected antagonist: salad dressings. Often celebrated for elevating our greens, these dressings conceal a treacherous combination: rancid vegetable oils, covert sugars, and excessive salts. When these elements converge, they form a recipe for high blood pressure. It's a potent illustration of how seemingly benign components in our diet can collaborate to impact our cardiovascular well-being. 7. The MSG conundrum. Amid the medley of flavors in packaged foods, MSG takes center stage as a maestro of taste. Yet, beneath its role in enhancing flavors lies an intriguing link to blood pressure. Research indicates that the sodium content in MSG can contribute to the elevation of blood pressure levels. This revelation propels us to dissect ingredient labels meticulously, ensuring that our culinary choices resonate with our heart health aspirations. 8. The complexities of cured meats. Our odyssey culminates with a focus on cured meats, a gastronomic delight with intricate implications. Laden with misg, substantial sodium levels, and nitrates, these meats have garnered attention for their potential to stiffen arteries. Stiffer arteries impede the smooth flow of blood, ultimately culminating in, yes, you guessed it, high blood pressure. It's a powerful reminder that our gastronomic preferences can echo across our cardiovascular well-being. Before we draw the curtain on this enlightening exploration, let's take a moment to underscore a critical point. While the insights shared here are invaluable, they should never serve as a substitute for professional medical consultation. Always consult your healthcare provider for guidance tailored to your individual needs. Our mission is to provide you with knowledge that empowers informed decisions, not to replace the expertise of medical professionals. As our journey through the 8 worst foods for high blood pressure comes to a close, it's important to reflect on the profound impact our dietary choices can have on our cardiovascular health. Armed with this knowledge, we stand at a crossroads, a chance to make intentional decisions that resonate with our heart's well-being. But our voyage doesn't end here. If you found this information enlightening, I invite you to join us for our next exploration, displayed right on your screen. Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this journey towards heart health together. Thank you for being an essential part of Heartbeats and Happy Habits, where heartbeats and happy habits flourish. Until next time, take care and be kind to your heart.